frickin' days on this now. I bought a new refrigerator for my mom and dad, a Whirlpool, side by side. You know, paid well over $1,000 for this stupid thing. They deliver it. I have to have a technician come out. One of the doors is hitting the middle post. Technician comes out, solves that problem, but says the other door is wrong, has to order a new door for it. Thing hasn't been in the house a week. So the other door was manufactured incorrectly. My dad even asked him, he said, what's the chances that they send the next one and it's wrong? He said, it's very possible. He said, the stuff they're building today is garbage. And I mean, the doors don't line up. My complaint, my huge complaint is you think common sense would tell you to build some flexibility in so you could adjust the distance between the doors. The top of the door is 1/4 inch at least wider than the bottom is. Can't do anything about it. Okay? They had to shim the back because you can't adjust. There are no adjustments at the bottom. I've owned probably 30 to 50 refrigerators between all the different rental units and that stuff, and I've been able to adjust on the bottom of the legs, adjust the height so it sits right in the spot that's there. Nothing adjustable on this. You can't get it to work exactly right. My parents' floor, new construction, perfectly even. I can lay a level on it, it's perfectly even. There is a bit of, you know, dips where the old refrigerator was sitting. You know, I'm just so frustrated. So they brought, like I said, they brought the new door yesterday. A guy tells me, well, we can't do anything about it. You're going to have to bring that up with somebody up the line. My parents are hugely disappointed, which I'm sorry about. You know, they're not mad at me. I've done everything that I can. You know, I've wasted 3 days on this and probably 3 tanks of gas running back and forth and dealing with everything. Went down to Furniture and Appliance Mart this morning. They were nice about it. The salesperson told me flat out, he said, I'm so sick. He said, about 1/3 of the appliances that we sell, people are coming in, they've got problems with them. How can that be? And it's not his fault, right? They're manufacturing cheap crap. My parents' last refrigerator lasted them 24 years. Everything lined up. If I got a car and the hood was off by 1/4 of an inch, there's no way I'd accept that. There's no way I would buy that. And yet, you know, and like they said, it's going to last you 3 to 4 years on average. That's what they're, you know, people are running into problems with this stuff, and it doesn't last. I asked him, okay, I said, I need to, down the road here, I'm going to need to start replacing some things, you know, refrigerators in my rental properties. What do you recommend that I'm not going to have problems with? They could say nothing. Nothing. I mean, my God, you can't get a refrigerator that lasts 20 years when you've got, you know, $1,800 invested into it. You got to buy a insurance policy on it, a repair policy on it, and they told me flat out, you're going to need it. You're going to need it. Odds are you're going to need it. That's what we're dealing with today, people. I just want to give you the heads up on this, that, you know, if you can get it fixed, I think I'd get it fixed before I buy something new, because it doesn't last. You know, I got the videos coming up on this. Please watch them. Hit that subscribe button. I try to give you tips on a regular basis on different DIY stuff. So, you know, take a look at it. Take a look at them. But watch the video. Please comment on what you think about this. And if you've had problems with appliances, please comment Thanks for listening to me. Thanks for watching the video. And we'll probably catch you with another one tomorrow. Take care. Have a great day. So Tyler here continues to make short work of putting on the new door. And this is the new door. Just an FYI, there's very little room for adjustment in these doors. Some of my older ones that I have in the rental properties, I can go up on top and I can easily adjust it. The newer ones don't have that built into it. And so he's got to put the handle on yet. He's putting some of the inside stuff in, and then we're going to get this leveled out. It's coming along. Okay, so Perrodin, the project specialist here. We got my mom and dad a new refrigerator freezer here. It's a Whirlpool, and the technician's been here twice now. They put a new door on, as a matter of fact. It's only a month old. And so my question to everyone out there is, what brand of refrigerator do you have? Have you bought it in the last year or so, and would you recommend it? Please leave something in the comment section on that. This one's kind of disappointing because you got a 1/4 inch bigger gap at the top than you do at the bottom of the two doors. You can see how it fits along the wall. They have the technician, when he was here, just crank a little bit into the front wheels, but you can't adjust the front wheels on a Whirlpool. First refrigerator I've ever come across in my rental properties or anything where I can't adjust at least 2 of the legs on it. So just, we're right now just kind of trying to kind of accept what we got here. And then I'll show you the rest of the video. The technician that came was very nice. Furniture and Appliance Mart was very good at informing us on when they were going to be here, tracking devices, all of that was done exemplary. And like I said, the technician, and you'll see his name down the road here, did a very nice job, entertained our questions and my critique. You know, just disappointed. Just very disappointed in this product. So that's my first review right now. Technician said they're, you know, he said, he kind of recommended Frigidaire, in all honesty, but yeah, watch the rest of the video. Please leave comments. Let me know what you think.
And it's brand new.
So we got a brand new door on the Whirlpool. Tyler has been kind enough to be patient with us on this and working with us on it. But this is your quality from Whirlpool today. Take a look at the top of the door here, people. And then take a look at the bottom of the door here, people. Oh, no. And then we had to...
Best I can do is
the front.
Let my higher ups know your concerns, and they can talk to Whirlpool. That's about it. I have zero control over any of that.
Every refrigerator that I've owned in the past, the fronts, you can adjust the height.
Manufacturers have given us.
They got adjustables. This one doesn't.
This is well within what manufacturer requires of us.
Boy, I'll tell you.
Well,
how far we've fallen. Huh? How far we've fallen in this country.